Hi, welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to continue on our discussion about for sale by owner for a house and identify for you some benefits to doing it on your own and challenges to doing it on your own so that you can better decide which way works best for you. So just to recap, for sale by owner means you are listing and selling your house without the benefit of a real estate broker or real estate agent helping you. And for their help, they are paid a commission. So the first benefit that people identify with that they think is a benefit to selling it on their own is that they're not going to pay anyone a commission. So the sale price that is ultimately agreed to between you as the seller and the buyer is the starting number from which other expenses will come out and then will result, most people believe, that absent a 6 or 7% commission off the top, they're going to reap those benefits and make 6 to 7% more on the sale of their house than they would with a broker. That's just very basic math. There are all kinds of things that go into the efforts of the broker that can help save your time and your money so that then the commission is worth it. There are also market conditions where this house is just positioned right or located in such a way, or the market has just such momentum that properties are selling very quickly, and you may think, well, why should I list it with a broker when it's going to sell tomorrow? So those are things for you to think about. Here are some more objective benefits and challenges for you to consider when deciding which way to go. So benefits of a for sale by owner transaction are, like I just said, there is no commission. You keep all the proceeds. That's all the net proceeds. Another benefit is you have all of the control over what the price is without any input, unless you have a co-owner or someone else who's factoring into that on a personal level. Or obviously, if you have a mortgage or deed of trust or other trust deed, you have a debt on the property, you have to sell it for more than the debt or they're not going to release that lien and you won't be able to sell it. So within those parameters, you have control over the price. You have control over when it is shown, when you're going to have open houses, whether you leave it on the market for a long time or a short time, those kinds of things. You work on your schedule entirely, so you will be making the exact arrangements for the exact time it is shown, not a large range. You will have control over that and access to the house. No one will have access to the house when you're not there. You will use your contacts to get the word out as far as letting people know that the property is for sale. You will not have price pressure to lower it to hasten a sale, and you will not have any pressure from your agent on accepting or rejecting an offer or making a counter offer, and you can do the contract with the attorney of your choice, or if you want to create one on your own, you can do that. So those are the real or perceived benefits of doing it on your own. Now, the real or perceived challenges of doing it on your own, depending upon you, your abilities, your time frame, are the following. Yes, it's all in your time frame, but now you have to take time away from work if you are employed. So you're going to have to take time away from work in order to attend to the details involved in the contract, the negotiation, and the showing and the marketing of the property. If you are not employed, you're going to be taking time away from something else that you want to or need to accomplish, so your time. The next thing is the showings of the property. I don't know many people who will buy a property or make an offer without seeing it, if they can reasonably see it. So you will have to make the arrangements to clean it, remove your pets, remove any people, make things look nice, clean up after dinner if they're coming after dinner time, make the property presentable, make it accessible, get them in and out of the property to be able to see it, and arrange that around all of your other activities or those that you have to shuttle kids here and there for. The other challenges are that since you will be there showing them the house, because it's not advisable to let someone into your house without someone in charge being there, you're going to have to prepare to hear comments. They might not be complimentary. You may have to witness them opening your closet doors. You may have them asking you questions that you consider intrusive, that they might not ask if there was a broker involved. You might have to endure hurt feelings over those comments, or be able to temper your reaction or have no reaction to those comments and just go about this as a business transaction. That might be challenging. And while you will not have the commission for a broker, one of the challenging things is that you will not have their multiple listing service or their contacts or their network and website preparation and listings and things like that to market it. So those will all be your responsibility. So weigh those up, consider your situation, how much you owe on the property, what you think it's worth, what you think you can sell it for in a reasonable period of time that works with your schedule. And hopefully these factors will help you make the decision of whether you will list it for sale by owner or engage the assistance of a real estate agent or a broker. If this was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. Share it with someone who may be considering this and may, not be clear on everything that they would have to do or could be able to do if they did it on their own. Subscribe to see our other videos and come back and see me again next time. Thanks for watching.